How to sign up Trust Wallet account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to create new Trust Wallet account. Do watch the video till the end and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. First, install the Trust Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet application on your device from Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Tap Open button to launch the application on your device. Now, the official page or the main page of Trust Wallet look like this. When you open the app, tap on Get Started button at bottom of the screen. You have got two options, either to create new wallet or add existing wallet. So tap on Create New Wallet option and here you can easily create new wallet. You can either choose secret phrase or Swift. So let's tap on create for the secret phrase and you can easily back up secret phrase manually or back up to Google Drive. So let's tap backup manually option and here this secret phrase is the master key to your wallet. You need to tap on all checkbox to confirm you understand the importance of your secret phrase. Once done, tap on the continue button and here are your secret phrase. You can easily copy to the clipboard or on a piece of paper so that you can store it securely. So let's do it. After that, tap on the continue button at bottom of the screen and here you need to confirm the secret phrase. Once you have selected or confirmed your secret phrase, tap confirm button at bottom of the screen. Now create the passcode and you need to confirm your password again by entering twice. Now once you have confirmed the passcode, you can scan your fingerprint or face for secure and convenient access to your account. So let's tap confirm for biometric login. Now you can easily start using your Trust Wallet account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.